Okay, we updated the code. Let's see if Tradelog is fully working. It is. It is. It's got each badge. That's cool. That's cool. Okay. What I want to do next, honestly, is let's see. I like this bar here, but honestly, what I want to do is make it bigger. Like, phew, like bigger, and maybe add like a bar graph here too. It'd be sick. So let's take some screenshots and kind of go over what to tell ChatGPT what I want to do, which is going to be over here, and then we go down here. Okay. And this we're gonna tell her what we're gonna tell her right now. Boom. Okay, so in the market, the first picture I attached, on the right, you see that bar graph up, you see the line graph that goes up, down. That's really good. And I was thinking, can we make that a lot bigger? The second picture I attached is, I would like half of that just to be like the bar graph, the line graph, and if we could implement possibly a bar graph or some kind of chart, what do you recommend? Okay, and then we'll see what she says. Because maybe she's a better idea sometimes. Okay, now we're getting to real exchange mandatories. So yeah, I guess. Yeah, if you do it right, market feature term. First, what you have to do. So like half of it just to be the graph. Perfect. Ideal would be asset. Large chart. Top right. Maybe some large chart for this. Let's do. Okay, before I send her this prompt, can you give me an image of what you think it should look like? Yeah, I like to do that sometimes before I nuke my freaking system. And then it kind of makes sense, I just create an image. And if I think we're on the same kind of terms, then, or if not, I'll edit it. But low-key, I have no idea what the fuck she's saying. That's large, 40% high, best. But I want two. I want like a bar graph and a pie chart and like just a stupid amount of shit that makes no sense but it looks cool. Alright, it's clicking. You know where we're going, boys. Alright. Hey. It's funny, through these progressive videos, you'll see this bar beer tab. Eventually it goes public. It's gonna be like, yeah, what the fuck? 1,000? 2,000? 3,000? Alright, let's see if you trust the blue chart trading market interface. What is it doing? I forgot what the fuck we're doing. For the marketplace. Yeah. For the market. We're modifying this. Well, it's fast as fuck, boy. Fast as fuck, boy. Okay, well, you know what? We'll put some activity in the market. We'll throw some fucking buy orders. Hey, you know what? If you can, might as well. Someone maybe you got it out there for $100 for a Hansky, bro. I know. I need some of these. I have like maybe only 6 blueprints. Oh shit, it looks low key sexy. Or whatever is pumping out. Oh damn! Damn! Oh, hello. Interesting. I wonder if it's actually gonna do this. Well, tell me that's cool as shit for a fucking blueprint, right? All right, we gotta glaze it up a little bit. Damn, bro, that looks fire. Can you give me the exact lovable prompt for that picture that you created, because it is so beautiful and amazing, and your data parts on point, and I love the bar graph, and I like how it's large and interactive, and I like the coloring, the styling. Um, please pull all the information out of that picture and put it into a lovable prompt, because whatever you did is aesthetically wise amazing. Blaze it up, you know. He said, "All right, calm down, but I love that energy." Da. We glazing motherfuckers out here. Oh, see, he fucking did it better here than the earlier one. Alrighty, let's fucking rock and roll. Let's see what she's gonna do. A, crash this bitch, or B, make it look sexy. Alright, ready, boys? Are you ready, my future AI developers? Okay, version 1. This is version 2 market layout. And this is how you kind of build upon versions, basically. You know, like you start off with something and you end up tweaking it. Yeah, and you end up telling ChatGPT what your design is, and then, I mean, did you see what he fucking cooked? Way better than my design. I was like, yeah, put 2 bar graphs, and then he busted out that. I was like, what? Fuck my bar graphs. Bust that shit out. We'll see though. We'll see how Lovable handles this situation right now. I'll let it load. Yeah, it's saying it's redesigning it, you know. And it's live preview, so it's pretty good actually. I've been using it for a while, and live preview is pretty good. There's some certain cases where it crashes, but it fixes itself right away. Oh, I'm actually excited because that is a fat ass graph, and I have some data here. Oh, I thought it did something. I was like, bro. And sometimes you'll do like a fat ass prompt, and fucking, it'll do a whole lot of nothing, you know? We'll see. I'm actually kind of excited right now. Mm. It's doing something. Mm, mm. It's upgraded something. It made it feel. Oh shit. Oh shit. Huh, boys? We're cooking now. Oh my god. What the fuck? For a fucking for a blueprint analysis. Oh my god. I love it. I'm gonna publish it right away. Okay, we're gonna publish it, take a screenshot of it, and see what ChatGPT says. Because sometimes it's like, yeah, yeah, and then he'll be like, you know what else we fire? Prap! And then, let's see what it looks on a user end though. I'm kind of curious. Here. Here is not an admin, a user. Okay, so what we're gonna do is probably refresh it. So bam, bam, bam. Oh shit! Yo, for a blueprint analysis tool, the market is hot. Although it might be a little too big, I don't know. Shit. Maybe refactor it just a little bit. I don't know. Alright, we'll see what she says. Let's put a new is for sale. New. Let's see. Doesn't look too bad. But maybe we cook it down a little bit. We'll see what she says. No? But then again, it looks kind of sick. But it's huge. It's huge, bro. It is fucking huge. So, this is what we'll do. We'll fucking put this picture here. Ah, oh, fuck. This is the wrong one. Okay, right here. So take a look at the picture. It looks awesome. What do you think? Is the bar a little too big, or is it a kick ass? Like ad. I don't think I said as, but yeah, you think we should resize it a little bit and give me some ideas and micro adjustments based on that picture that you think would be good, and let me know. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, obviously resize it. Okay, you said tone down the glow. Mm. Okay, fuck it, we're running, right? Okay, based on all your suggestions, let's give it a lovable prompt that, like you said, reduce the chart a little bit, and you know on top it says 24 hour. I don't know. You think we can make that like flashing green, slowly pulsing? I think that'd be kind of a cool little touch. Like very subtle though. Okay. Okay, now we have a lovable prompt, right? Now we're gonna send it, boys. Send it. So this is version 2. We'll do like version what? Whatever. 3 now, I guess. Version 2.5, I would say. Let's see what she does. Yeah. Applying. Okay, okay. I'm excited because I even added that 24-hour pulsing slowly. You know, I thought that was kind of cool. That's what is missing. Maybe. Okay, it's editing. I don't know. Did it put the chart a little lower? I don't even fucking know. I wasn't paying attention. It looked like it, but still kind of big. Maybe we gotta adjust it again. Shit, I don't even know now. Oh, okay, I did it now. Hell yeah. That's pretty clean. Oh, baby. That's funny, dude. Huh? We built a full freaking. Let's publish it. See how she looks on user mode. Okay, it's updating. Okay, it's up to date. Simple C control on PR. Reset it. Cool. Right? Fucking sick with it. There's your tickers. That's funny as fuck, dude. Now I wonder. You know how it slopes? Should we make that like kind of up and down? You know, like. Maybe it's still a little too big. I don't know how I feel about it. It's cool and all, but it's fucking big, mate. It is fucking big. See, with ChatGPT it was integrated with everything, you know, it was fucking cool and when you do it like this, you're gonna thinking. I don't know. You know what? Looks good. It fucking looks good. You know? It looks good. And you get your fucking market chat even. Everything working? Dash. Let's go check the most important feature. You know. You already know the most important feature. Make sure it's working. Yep. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, okay. Nice, nice. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't bust out the nine, Jamal. Take it easy, Jamal. That's so funny. It's funny, I have a friend named Jamal. No, no. But anyways, so far looking good for a beta ass fucking tester. We're gonna work on this next. These are basic profiles. We're gonna upgrade them. Let's see, trade logic, pretty cool. Stash, var, cool stuff, cool stuff. Let me get some people in here and test this shit out, see if it works. Market, let's go back and ask ChatGPT if it's fucking not too big still. It looks good, bro. But shit, I don't know. Do you think it's still kind of too big? And should we make the lines spiky or leave it as it is? What do you think? Let's see what it glazes. Is it still too big? It's better than before, but it definitely improved the balance. But yes, it's still about 50% to tell. Right now, the visual weight is chart 60% presence, order book 40. For exchange, it's about 50%. You want the balance power. Okay, okay. Should the line be spiky? It's important. Right now, your curve is very smooth. It looks elegant, clean, but also looks slightly generated. Real markets have micro velocity. Here's a rule. Don't make it artificially spiky. That looks fake. But don't reduce smooth registry. Your chart library has tension, smooth control. Lower curve, smoothing a bit. Keep it smooth but allow stubble jagged behavior. You want professional data curve, not swine. Oh. Bro, and you know how they have those fucking candlesticks in real charts? Do you think we could fucking implement that somehow into the data that has already a bar? But just put candles in it with the pluses and minuses? Oh, we'll see what she says. Probably not, but we'll check. Alright, now you're trusting for market position. Actually, change them. It requires for each time interval open, high, low, close. Oh, I see we don't have that. Okay. Okay, what is this option? See, keep your large area chart, but overlay. The big question is your platform blueprint job? Communicate structure. No, what I guess I was saying is like fucking bars in between the line, or not really, where they look kind of stupid. There's some bars at it, right? Okay. Okay. You got it right, you know? You know what? Okay. Okay, can you give me a little prompt for what you think the best situation is to lay out the situation we got going on, because we need to put that layout more like 50-50, you know? And if you could crank out a lovable prompt for me. And I checked also, fucking A, you know what? That 24-hour glowing, subtle glow, I don't think it works. Let's check. I'm not seeing shit. Yeah. I did that at visual inspection, man. Like fucking 1 centimeter off the screen. I could have zoomed in, that would have made more sense. Good, you're making correct calls. If the airglow feels off, kill it. What? No, I would like to keep that 24-hour pulse emanation, but it is not on right now. I've never seen it turn on or work. Can you maybe make it a little more brighter or something? Because I haven't even seen it work at all, low key. And I think it would be kind of cool. It's telling me it's not cool. Get out of here. Don't let it judge you guys. Okay, so it's not that you hated it, you just never actually showed up. That's it. You want the 24 hours to exist in your visit. Okay. Okay. Now, can you give me a lovable prompt with everything that you think is right to do, plus my pulse and all of the items you suggested earlier, into one big lovable prompt I could copy and paste? Thank you. Okay, let's see what she cranks out. Oh shit. Oh yeah, we're pumping her. Let's see. That's a big one. Okay, version 3, I guess. You guys ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. See how I said don't change the fucking data source? It's always good to put that shit in there, because, oh boy. Lovable likes to make shit up sometimes, especially when you're deep in logic mixing up with charts. Put that logic in there too. Other than that, oh yeah, it's a great scaffolding program. It like literally. Okay, it did a little less. Okay, okay. Interesting, interesting. Okay. It looks kind of sharp, you know? You got your buy order, boom, boom, boom. I like it. 7 day, 24 hours. Oh yeah. My little heartbeat. That was my version 1 marketplace. I put up a photo earlier of how my first version looked like. Shit, it's funny, but now it's just complex. It's kind of funny. blueprints. Alright, I gotta do something about that. Okay, so this video will be ended.